This is Karan Makharia from Sigmaflux Growth Labs, and we have launched our very own WhatsApp marketing tool, which is not just a marketing tool, but it also has a lot of CRM features. So you can manage your customers properly, you can service your customers, you can have your teammates use this application simultaneously and not forget about leads or any issues that your customers have. So this is a software for both sales and support as well. The best part about the software is now you can use your WhatsApp mobile application number simultaneously with this software. Yes. So your same WhatsApp software that you are running on your mobile, you can use this business number into this software simultaneously. So you can see all the chats loading up here, which are on your phone also. The rule of 24 hours replying, is no more valid now, because if you can, if you're using this software, there's a rule where you can only reply to customers till 24 hours of their last message. But through your cell phone, you can reply anytime and you can initiate a conversation without any cost as well. So let's go ahead and see the features. So first of all, you can see the inbox in which you see the active chats, which are like less than 24 hours ago the customer has messaged, and we can chat with them for 24 hours. The rolling over means the old, numbers who have messaged you 24 hours back. So you can, see the chats from here, and you can initiate your chat from the mobile also without any cost. From desktop, it will be marketing message, which is charged around 86 paisa, and utility message charge around 11 paisa. So let's say you want to do WhatsApp broadcast to your regular collaborators, customers, distributors, exhibition visitors, all of these people. So first step is go to broadcast, create a contact list. Let's say whatever exhibition or grouping you need to do, you can create unlimited list from here. You can upload up to 50,000 contact in our regular plan. So you can go ahead and upload the contacts in the list. Then you can create a template. So this template creation, meaning that whatever message you want to send, you need to first register with WhatsApp. So here you have a lot of collection of new templates that we have launched. So in custom message, you can send an image, video, text, buttons, auto replies, coupon codes, everything. We also have a carousel feature now where you can send 10 product images or 10 service images together in one message. So you'll be only charged for one message, and you can send up to 10 images of your products or service. It's a very engaging feature for your customers. You can also use catalog if you are having product or services in your WhatsApp catalog to, for your customers to check out and add to cart, or maybe just explore. You can have a multi-product where you can select the items that you want to send to that particular customer. So this is also there. You have OTP features, so your applications can use OTP to send OTP to your customers. You have limited time offers where you can, send in offers with a copy code option and then just redirect them to the shopping page. You have flows also where you can have sign up. People will still fill up 2-3 step forms. So that is also now possible inbuilt with our software. So these are the type of templates that you can use to send messages to your customers. Now coming back to broadcast, once you have created contact list, your templates are approved. You can just go to create campaign and you can create a campaign name, select the contact list. You can have multiple contact list. This is just like tags, and then you can select a template and you can either choose to send now or you can schedule later. You can assign the leads that come in through this campaign to a specific teammate also, or you can assign it to a full team. You can also do retry campaigns wherein if the message is not sent because of WhatsApp fair usage policy, which is every user can only receive certain number of marketing message. So if your customer has already got messages this week from brands like Nykaa, Zomato, any brand, so after that your message will not get delivered. But if your message is delivered, so all these other brand messages will not get delivered if the quota is over. So it is on first come first serve basis. So you can set auto retries where the system will automatically retry to send messages to this failed customer list, so that your sending ratio reaches to 40 to 70% of the total sent list. So let's say you send 100 messages, to 40 to 70% is a regular message delivery rate. With retry, it can go to 70-80. You also have an option to retarget. So you can pick a campaign, choose a list of only failed people, and then send a new campaign. Or you can choose a list of people who have already read your message or messages delivered. You can send a retargeting campaign to them. So every campaign, you can do a retargeting campaign to failed or successful customers. Now coming to an awesome feature, which is keyword trigger, which is a chatbot. So for example, a lot of people ask me for company profile, my company address, my quotations, my requirement forms. So these FAQs I can feed into my chatbot, and chatbot can take care of it. I can also have a flow designed. Like for example, right from a person sends hi, I can ask them, do you need a sales or support? They choose sales. Then I can tell them about my products and services. Then they can choose one of the products, and then they can read the case studies, the brochure, they can fill up the requirement forms from there. So it's like a complete flow they can follow, and they can know about my company without requiring a physical person or a virtual person to talk to them. After they have spoken to the chatbot, a physical person can see the chat and then take over a manual conversation to establish conversions. So this keyword triggers is the chatbot. How do you create chatbot? This is the feature. You can also have AI chatbots where what they ask is not the keywords. They can ask generic things, and your chatbot can reply. You can have chat routing rule also. For example, if anybody clicks on website development, so I have a different sales guy for website development, I have different sales guy for marketing. So I can basically have routing rules where I can have manual load round robin. I can have different routing rules here, through which my people can serve other customers. So it can be manual, round robin, load balancer. If they choose website development, I can redirect it to website development sales guy. If they choose support, I can redirect it to salesperson. So this routing rules is here, which is a very important feature to for your team to work, and the customer will only receive response for one number. So they don't have to use different numbers for different sales and support, or for different products. So the whole team can work with same number on this software. There is AI answer node also, which can answer a lot of FAQs directly. Then you have a date reminder plugin which you can purchase, through which people can actually send birthdays, anniversary reminders, offers. You can send in your AMC service dues. Like for example, after 1 year, the pest control is getting over, so you can send some reminders before that. So all of this is possible using this date add-on. So if you just go down, you will see we have WhatsApp forms to collect data from customers through exhibition or through chatbot, wherein people can fill up these forms, and every form data will be captured here. So they don't have to redirect to a different form altogether. Then you have Facebook leads also, which can sync in, so that all the leads come here, and you can manage the leads. You can automatically send auto replies of WhatsApp to those Facebook leads. So to configure this, you can contact our team. If you send a drip campaign, so a person can send a drip campaign to a new collaborator or a new potential client, that after 1 day they'll receive our company brochure. After 3 days, they'll receive our first case study. After 10 days, they'll receive another customer testimonial. So stuff like that, you can create a drip campaign here. So you also have catalog here, just like I mentioned. There are a lot of integrations possible for which you can contact our team. For example, Google Sheets, CRM, a lot of integrations are by default possible. And if you have any custom requirements, we can build that for you. Now, coming to the most important feature that we have is the sales pipeline. Now, for example, if I go to inbox and if I find a potential lead in my inbox, there are a lot of people who are chatting. These might be friends, collaborators, existing clients. So what I can do is, for example, bulk flamingo is a whatever potential client for me, and they need WhatsApp marketing software. So I can just go and categorize this person into bulk WhatsApp. I can categorize by product, or I can categorize by lead stage. For example, this is a hot lead, there's a quotation being sent, there's a follow-up required, there's a meeting required. So I can mark them in stages of leads, or I can mark them as a product which they are interested in. We can have 10 stages here. So this helps me to take follow-ups properly. I can assign this chat to my experienced team member also. I can create a ticket if this customer is complaining about any service or product. So I can create a ticket so my customer support team can take care of all the tickets that I've created. If this customer tells me contact me after 3 days, I can create a follow-up right from here, so that I don't have to do a calendar management separately. So all these things that you can see from the right, you can manage all the customers in the audience section, wherein the first option is sales pipeline, wherein I can drag and drop a lead to the right hand section. For example, this might be a warm lead. So let's say I put it into warm lead section. Okay, so for example, I can do this. So it is in warm lead now. So I can manage these leads, and these customers will never be out of the sales pipeline. So I can always reach out to them, call them, and I'll not forget about them. I get a lot of job inquiries, so I've created a job stage also. I get spams also, so I've marked those into spams. I've marked people into job. I've marked people into my employees. So different things I have marked people so that I understand who is who. If I go to ticket, I can see all the open tickets, I can see the closed tickets. So my tickets created from the inbox come here, so I can see a consolidated view of what people are having issues with and which issues we need to resolve without failing to, forgetting to resolve these issues. You also have a follow-up system, which is again awesome, where you can see your follow-ups which you have set using the inbox, wherein you can do follow-ups regularly. So this is a software to sit on every day to manage your sales and support, and also do regular marketing to your collaborators, to your existing clients, to your potential clients, to your cold clients, so that none of these people get missed out. This is a true CRM in every sense. And nowadays people don't, use emails a lot. People use WhatsApp a lot. So that is why WhatsApp plus CRM is a very good combination. Plus this platform gives a very good management feature as well. So to get onboarded on this software, please reach out to our team and our team will help you in onboarding. We only charge software fees. We don't charge any markup on the messaging fees charged by WhatsApp. That is billed to you separately by WhatsApp and Facebook. We only charge for the software. So, onboard yourself now and start using, because every lead sitting as a visiting card on your desk can be a potential client. So, start WhatsApp remarketing. It's the need of the hour now. Thank you.